Welcome back, guys, to GTS-Tech. So today we're going to look at the way that we can automate the auditing of break glass accounts. Now, break glass accounts are created to prevent us accidentally doing something silly and locking ourselves out of our tenant through conditional access. So one of the ways you can audit that is by going to the sign-in events every day, looking at the last 24 hours and seeing if that account has been logged into. Very time consuming and onerous. One of the easier ways to do this would be to set up an alert. So the first thing we're going to do is going to go right back to basics. So first of all, apologies if you've got this and you're just after the information, but there will be viewers that have not set up anything. So I am going to go through the entire process and apologies up front. So I'm going to create a new user. So we're going to create a brand new break glass account. And this user is going to be called emerge admin. Emerge admin sounds about right if I can just spell that one. So I'll take that, copy the name, auto-generate doesn't need to be part of a group, although I will be creating a group. We will leave that for now. The roles are going to be user because I'm not going to create a global admin for this. We're just going to pretend that this is a global admin account. Don't need any of the other information, and we are going to create. So you'll now see there is an account called emerge admin. So up the top, let's look at our analytics, and we'll go to workspaces. And we're going to create a brand new one, resources here. We'll just put it into one of those, and I will be deleting it after this. The name of this log analytics workspace, we're going to call it JFB log analytics workspace. So JFB law, and we'll keep it into the south. Pricing tier, you'll see that is paid per gigabyte, 2018. It's the only option that you have, and we'll do next tier. So we always use tags because it helps us with our billing. We review that and we create. That's now complete. So we'll go to home, we go to Active Directory, we come down to diagnostic settings, and we're going to create a new diagnostic settings. This is where we're going to set up what data is audited. So we're going to call it a name. So let's call it JFB audit. In fact, yeah, let's just call it JFB, or that'll do. And we need the sign-in logs. So they are the logs that we need to create. And we need to send it to a log analytics workspace. So with that in mind, we're going to send it to that. That's fine, excellent, and we can save that. Okay, with the sign-in logs going to the log analytics workspace, we're now going to set up our logging, and then we're going to set up our alerts. So by going to home, going to the log analytics workspace, we are going to go in there, and we come down to logs, and we're going to create our first query. So the first query we're going to create is sign-in logs, where the operational name, let me have a quick look now, the operational name equals, and it's going to be sign-in activity, and exclamation mark, good, and then pipe where just because it's going to drive me mad, but I'm going to put a space in there, apologies for that, where, and then it is user principal name equals, and it is the account that we created. So we're just going to quickly take that from there, go back into there, and there. So what you should be able to do is now run that. No results in the last 24 hours. That proves it's running correctly. So it's now looking for sign-in activity. From there, we're going to save that, and we're going to call it break glass audit activity 01, and we're going to call it under category security. and then save. Excellent, that's now saved. So we're now going to go to alerts, staying within the log analytics workspace. We're now going to go to alerts, and we're going to create a new rule. So the condition for this rule is going to be account audit. So 01, if this activity is, if happens at all, so we're just going to say number of results greater than 1. So as soon as it happens, we want to know that it's happened. So we're going to press done on that. Then we are, so that's it. It's going to cost us $1.50 per month for running this alert. We're now going to go to the action groups, and I've created an action group that basically sends an SMS message to my mobile phone in the event that this alert is triggered. So we're going to click on that, press select, it's in, don't need to do any of that. We'll call that background alert 01. That's fine. Informational, no. Critical, so it's a critical alert, so we're going to press that, and that alert is now created. And when you create that, you can see our alert is there. So that is done. That is how you set up an automated audit of that account. So if anyone accesses that account, it triggers the alert, you're automatically notified. I hope you found that useful, guys. I'm going to put the answer to the exam question that I set yesterday at the end of this video, and then I'm going to set you a new question. So enjoy yourselves, take care, good luck, and bye.